Today, now you manage one of India's biggest sports stars as well. You know, you'll do deals with him through his entire sporting thing. Where do you see it going from here? In the next 3 to 5 years, do you feel like where we've hit an inflection point and we're going to grow considerably from here? Do you think we're saturated and we've had enough and this is where it tapers off? And of course, you've already spoken about how technology plays in there, but where do you feel sort of consumption patterns are moving towards?
I think it's going to go bigger and bigger, you know, simply because of the visibility factor. You know, the platforms that are coming out every day. So earlier you would do an ad for a brand and you would be seen by X million. Today the platforms that exist give that same brand the viewership. It creates awareness that is unreal. They would have never dreamt of. And it's not just national, it's international. It's global. So the reason why the numbers increase, you know, it's not a sport where you need 50,000 people to make money. That's nothing. You can forget the number of people that come in, you can get all of them in free. What pays is the other platforms that bring it in, just like the IPL. I mean, gate receipts aren't important. It's the bucks that come in from other platforms. It sustains and allows other platforms of cricket, other facets of cricket to grow. You know, take for example me. I played as a cricketer. I did broadcasting, I did coaching. But today the fun part is content. As Dhaval said, content is bap. You know, you can't shortchange that. Is when I do television today, I'm walking down the street, I say, into the fence like a tracer bullet. It catches everybody's imagination. So I go through, I'm checking in, they say, hey, tracer bullet, can I have an autograph please, you know? Or Dhoni finishes off in style. That's captured, goes down for years. You call 100 or a double 100, the first man on the planet to get a double 100 in one-day cricket, Tendulkar. It will be seen in different platforms for years. And then what caught my imagination now, Dhaval said, you know, at home, there could be 20 different things you want to see. You want to see Bumrah's action. You want to see someone else, you know, batting in a certain way. Tomorrow there could be someone wanting to listen to commentary. Arey, iska sunna hai bhai, commentary, isne kya bola? You know, which captures, which allows us, gives us the motivation to raise the bar.